If you're seeing a 404 not found error on X, formerly Twitter, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to troubleshoot it step by step. This usually happens when a username is typed incorrectly, a tweet link is broken, or the original post is no longer available. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to check the link, confirm whether the post still exists, and clear your browser data to fix common loading issues. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, take a close look at the link in your address bar. Double check the spelling of the username if you're opening a profile, or make sure the tweet ID is exact if you're opening a specific post. Even one missing character, extra space, or wrong number can cause X to show a 404 error. So carefully compare the URL with the original link and make sure everything matches perfectly. If the link looks correct and you still get a 404, then the post may no longer be available. In many cases, the original poster may have deleted the tweet, or they may have deactivated their account. When that happens, X can't display the content anymore, so the error is expected even if the link was valid before. If you're trying to view someone's profile and it isn't loading, this can also mean the account was removed, suspended, or changed. Next, if the page still isn't loading properly, clear your cookies and cache. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, select cookies and cached files, then clear them from your browser. Once that's done, reopen X and try the link again. This can help fix stored browser data that may be interfering with the page. After that, refresh the page and test the link one more time. If the tweet or profile still shows 404 after checking the username, confirming the tweet ID, and clearing cookies and cache, then the content is most likely no longer available on X. At that point, there isn't usually another fix unless you have a different correct link to try, and that's it. Those are the quickest ways to fix or understand the x.com and Twitter 404 not found error. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.